Hello everyone. Welcome to yet another video on TwinSimulate. In this demo, we will look at how to transmit multiple waveform signals from a Raspberry Pi to a host PC using TCP communication. Let's select RT_PI as a target in the first diagram. Next, choose Raspberry Pi 4B as a target subtype. In the left-hand side panel, search for the input library. Select the triangular, step sawtooth, and sine wave blocks and add them to the workspace. Next, search for the Raspberry Pi library. Select the TCP socket transmit block and add it to the workspace. Now, right-click on the TCP socket transmit block. Increase the number of input ports to 4, then click OK. Connect all 4 waveform blocks to the TCP socket transmit block. Now, double-click the TCP socket transmit block. Set the IP address to the host PC IP address, 192.168.1.20. Set the port to 1024. Then click OK. The Raspberry Pi transmitter model is now complete. Next, open a new diagram. Select WinSimRT as the target. Next, set the sample time to 0.01 seconds and the final time to 30 seconds. Double-click on the workspace and search for the TCP socket receive block and add it to the workspace. Next, search for the RT plot block and add it to the workspace. Right-click on the TCP socket receive block. Increase the number of output ports to 4, then click OK. Similarly, right-click on the RT plot block. Increase the number of input ports to 4, then click OK. Connect all 4 outputs of the TCP socket receive block to the RT plot block. Now, double-click the TCP socket receive block. Set the port to 1024. Then click OK. Next, double-click the RT plot block to open its parameters. In the curve names field, enter the following names: curve 1, curve 2, curve 3, curve 4. Then click OK to save the configuration. The host PC receiver model is now complete. Next, generate code for the Raspberry Pi model. Wait for the code generation process to complete successfully. Once the executable file is generated, navigate to the project output folder. Open Command Prompt. Transfer the executable to the Raspberry Pi using the SCP command. When prompted, enter the Raspberry Pi password. After the file transfer is completed successfully, open RealVNC Viewer and connect to the Raspberry Pi. Navigate to the transferred executable. Open a terminal in that location. Run the following command to provide execute permission: chmod + x file name. Next, type ls. The executable file name changes color, indicating that the execute permission has been applied successfully. Do not run the executable yet. Return to the WinSimRT receiver model on the host PC. Click Run to start the real-time simulation. Wait until the RT plot window opens. This indicates that the TCP receive block is ready and waiting for incoming data. Now switch back to the Raspberry Pi terminal. Run the executable using sudo /file name. The Raspberry Pi now establishes a TCP connection and starts transmitting all 4 waveform signals continuously to the host PC. As shown in the RT plot window, the transmitted waveform signals are received successfully in real time. You can observe the triangular, step, sawtooth, and sine wave signals updating continuously in the RT plot window. This demonstrates successful real-time TCP communication between the Raspberry Pi and the host PC using TwinSimulate. Thank you for watching. Explore TwinSimulate for model-based simulation, code generation, and real-time simulation. Also, explore OpenMath AI, the no-code AI platform for your machine learning projects. Thank you. Stay tuned for more TwinSimulate demonstrations.